Jeep Wrangler front sway bar unboxing. Brand brochure. Installation notes. Mounting nuts and washers. Product logo sticker. Front sway bar. Tools required for removing and installing the front sway bar. 18mm wrench. 18mm half-inch drive deep socket. 19mm half-inch drive deep socket. Short half-inch extension. Half-inch drive ratchet. Half-inch drive impact wrench. Half-inch drive torque wrench. First, use an 18mm half-inch drive deep socket with a half-inch short extension bar to loosen the wheel lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Use the 18mm deep socket with a half-inch impact wrench to remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Lower the vehicle. Let's use the 18mm deep socket along with the impact wrench and an 18mm wrench to remove the upper mounting bolts on the front sway bar. Remove the nuts and bolts. Slide the bolts out. Use a 19mm deep socket with a ratchet to remove the lower mounting bolts on the front sway bar. Remove the nuts and take out the front sway bar. The old and new front sway bars comparison. The bushings on the old sway bar are damaged, causing abnormal suspension noise while driving. That's why we're replacing it with a new one. Install the front sway bar. Install the lower mounting nuts on the new front sway bar. Use an 18mm deep socket with a ratchet to tighten the lower mounting nuts. Install the upper mounting nuts. Use an 18mm deep socket with an impact wrench and an 18mm wrench to tighten the upper mounting nuts. Use a torque wrench with an 18mm deep socket to torque the two sway bar mounting bolts to 95 Nm, 70 foot-pounds. Mount the wheel and reinstall the lug nuts. Use an 18mm deep socket with an extension bar and an impact wrench to snug the lug nuts. Finally, torque the wheel lug nuts to 150 Nm, 111 foot-pounds.